Hello makeup lover, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before already. If not, my name is Malene. I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. Today I pulled out my Subliminal palette, the Mothership I from Pat McGrath. It's the one with the blue color. It's an awesome one, and a lot of people can be a little bit intimidated by the blue because it's so colorful and beautiful, but I can show you how to tone it down if you want to use it, but in a different way. And I can also show you, or I am going to show you in this video, how to make cool eyeliners with using an eyeliner and some eyeshadow. So if you want to see how to do that, then please hang in tight and I'm going to show you. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And if you like videos like these, please subscribe to my channel. Now, let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? I'm going to start by showing you the palette so you can see the colors. Here we have the stunning special shades, and then for the more neutral everyday colors. A lot of people buy all kinds of colorful eyeliners, but if you're only gonna use them on the upper lid, there's no need for that. Just get a light colored one and a dark colored one and make sure they are creamy so you can use them as a base, and then you can put some eyeshadow on top and it will give you a colorful eyeliner. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna start with a black eyeliner from Pat McGrath, and I'm just putting it on and going into the middle of the lid here and then filling it out slightly. And now this is a base. As you can see, it's quite rough. It doesn't look beautiful. So I'm gonna take a pencil that's most people use for brows, and I'm just gonna use the edge of that to perfect this eyeliner. I'm gonna start with the darkest color, the gorgeous Blitz Blue, and using the same brush, I'm just gonna put it on the outer edge here. Pressing it into the eyeliner, and now we have partly a blue eyeliner. Dipped into the blue eyeshadow again, and I'm gonna put a little bit more on, making the color a little bit more visible, going up to the end here, like so. Now I'm taking the Astral White pigment. It goes very blue when you put it on something black. As you can see, it goes like a turquoise kind of blue when you put it on top of a black eyeliner. I'm now going to put a little bit of highlighter on under my brow bone here, and I'm just using the highlighter shade. You can stop here and call it a day and put some mascara on, and that can be the look, but I'm gonna keep on building to it. So I'm gonna take some of the Blitz Blue here and put under my lower lash line as close to the lashes as possible, just going into like 2/3 and then letting it meet with the color on top here. If you want to make this look bold, you can go in with some more Blitz Blue. I'm going to take the lilac shade and put it a little bit over my crease here, like a transition shade. I am just being very gentle to begin with because I don't want it to be crazy and I don't want it to be like taking over the whole thing. I just want it to be like a brush of color. And I'm using my reference number 15 brush for this. And I did not prime my eyes, by the way. I just put on a little bit of the Pat McGrath foundation in the color Light Medium 8. So now we've gotten so far. I really want to deepen this up a little bit, so I dipped my reference number 14 into the dark taupey shade. I'm just putting it into my crease here and blending it into the lilac color gently, with a very light touch. As always, I don't want any harsh lines when it comes to eyeshadow like this. I'm gonna deepen it up a little bit more with the same color. Now I'm starting from the outer part. Using the same reference number 14, I dipped the tip of it into the black eyeshadow. And now I am just connecting it to the liner, just only putting it here on the outer part, so to speak, the outer half. Again, a little bit more black on the tip of the brush, deepening it up only in the outer part here. I don't want to make this look super dark in any way. I pulled out my intensifiers and dipped my reference number 3, of course, into that. Where there is no color here, I'm gonna put that on. So I'm gonna intensify the next color I'm putting on here. I'm gonna put on the pale gold here. It's really gonna be powerful when you put it on top of intensifiers. I'm gonna need a little bit more. I dipped my pencil, I keep saying pencil. Pencil, it's actually Danish and mean brush. The pencil brush, I dipped that into the gold once more. And this is what we have. I'm gonna put a little bit of the same color under my eyes here with the same brush, reference number 3, and use it as the inner corner highlight. I wanted to show you what this looks like with mascara on and a bit of tight lining. Now I'm gonna go off cam and put some lashes on. Back with some lashes on, and this is what it looks like with lashes on. It's a very gorgeous look, I think. You can still do some things to spice it up a little bit more. For example, dip your brush into the other special shade that is a little bit bluish purplish and just put it on the edge here to give a little sparkle to the eyeliner. I'm just doing it ever so gently because I don't want it to be all over the face and all over the place. So this is what that did for that look. Now I'm gonna do the other eye, and I dip my reference number 2 into the highlighting shade, and I'm putting it here under the brows just to lighten that area up, because lighter color makes things come forward and darker color makes them deeper, give an illusion of a deepening effect. I'm going to start with a transition shade, and I'm going to use the lightest taupey color in the palette. I'm using my reference number 15, putting it a little bit over the crease here and just stamping it on. I'm trying to learn a new word here because I keep saying dabbing it on, dabbing it on. And now I'm stamping it on. It's the same motion. This is the beginning. Same brush, same color, same movement, so to speak. Just stamping it on. And then I'm doing the windshield wiper motion. I can't speak today. That's weird. With my reference number 14, I dipped into the darker taupey shade. I'm going to put that in my crease and just blend it into the lighter taupey shade. And I'm holding my brush right here on the outer part, because then it will not be so harsh when I work with it. It's not so concentrated. It's a light touch. I dipped the reference number 14 into some black, and I'm putting that into the crease. And still gentle, light pressure on the brush. Upwards and inwards, and circular motions. Now, with the empty eyelid, so to speak, I could go in and put a very light color, give it a black eyeliner, and that would be a very classic look. But I'm gonna take the satin-like color, that is a taupey color as well, that I used on the other eye, and I'm gonna put it all over my eyelid. So we have some kind of a smoky eye going on, but it's very taupey smoky. Same brush, same color, under the eyes here to make an eyeliner. I could now also just put on some mascara and call it a day, or liner and mascara, but I'm gonna put on the Blitz shade, the blue shade, with the same number 2, and I'm just dipping it onto eyelid here. And when I put it on top of the other color here, it's not gonna be as harsh. It's gonna be more subtle. Since I love this beautiful blue color, I'm gonna put some intensifiers on the outer corner here. And then I'm just gonna make sure there are no harsh lines here from the intensifier to the shadow. And now I'm dipping into the blue once more, and it will be a lot more concentrated here on the outer corner, just to show how it looks. On top of the taupey shiny color, it takes a more marine kind of hue to it instead of the powerful blue. I dipped my reference number 3 into the highlighting color, and I'm just gonna put it in the inner corner here to open up the eye, so to speak. I'm gonna put some mascara on and come back. This is a look with a little bit of mascara on. It's a blue smoky eye, very classic. Here you see the eye look with false lashes on and what that does to the look. And I'm gonna show you both eyes so you can see how different the two looks are and what it does for the eyes. You can spice it up a little bit more if you think, this is a bit boring. I'm doing it with dipping my ring finger into the Astral White pigment here and just putting it into the middle. I'm gonna show you the both looks again here. And now I'm gonna zoom you out so you can see them with a full face of makeup. This is a final look with a full face of Pat McGrath makeup. On my cheeks, I have the blush in the color Nymphette. On top of that, I put the iridescent pink highlighter from the highlighting trio. And on my lips, I used a Suburbia lip liner and topped it off with some Lavendering Opulous gloss. Now I'm gonna put on my glasses so you can see what that does to the looks, because I wear glasses. So this is what it looks like with glasses on. As you can see, it gets a little bit more toned down with the glasses on. And now all that is left for me to say is that if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, I want to thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video, and I wish you an awesome day. Take care. Bye. Mwah.